Most people get this wrong. They think making money on Instagram is only for influencers with millions of followers. But here's the truth no one tells you. You don't need a huge audience to start earning. You need a smart strategy, consistency, and the ability to turn attention into income. And the biggest mistake you need to avoid is focusing only on followers instead of focusing on value. Because money on Instagram doesn't come from popularity alone. It comes from trust, engagement, and monetization systems that most beginners ignore. In this video, you are going to learn exactly how people are turning Instagram into a real income source. Not theory. Not vague advice. But practical methods that can take you from zero to your first earnings and beyond. And stick around, because in a minute, I'll show you the simplest Instagram strategy beginners use to get their first income without needing fame. Let's start from the basics. Instagram is not just a social media app anymore. It is a marketplace of attention. Every scroll, every like, every view is an opportunity. And where there is attention, there is money. Now imagine someone like Alex. Alex is a regular person. No followers. No brand. Just a phone and an idea. Most people like Alex think Instagram is too saturated. But that's where they are wrong. Because Instagram rewards consistency and content, not just fame. So let's break down how people actually make money step by step. The first way is affiliate marketing on Instagram. This is one of the easiest ways for beginners. Affiliate marketing simply means you promote products and earn a commission when someone buys through your link. For example, Jake posts about fitness tips. He recommends a protein supplement or workout gear. In his bio or story, he adds an affiliate link. When people buy through that link, he earns money. But here's the problem. Most beginners spam links without building trust. And that doesn't work. People don't buy from strangers. They buy from people they trust. So the real strategy is content first, promotion second. You post useful content like workout tips, budget meal plans, or fitness routines. Then you naturally recommend products that fit that content. Now here's where it gets interesting. Even accounts with 1,000 followers can make money if their audience is engaged and targeted. You don't need millions. You need relevance. Let's move to the second method, which is brand deals. Brand deals are when companies pay you to promote their products. For example, John runs a small Instagram page about travel. He posts pictures, tips, and travel hacks. Even with a small audience, travel brands might pay him to feature hotels or gear. But here's the truth. Brands don't just look at followers. They look at engagement. If your audience comments, likes, and interacts, you become valuable. Now here's the mistake most people make. They wait for brands to contact them. That rarely happens at the beginning. Instead, you should reach out to brands yourself. You can send simple messages showing your page, your niche, and how you can help them reach customers. In a minute, I'll show you how even small Instagram pages can start landing paid deals faster than you think. Now let's move to the third method, which is selling digital products. This is where Instagram becomes powerful. You can create ebooks, guides, presets, templates, or online courses, and sell them directly through your page. For example, Alex creates a simple ebook about beginner meal planning. He promotes it on Instagram through short posts and stories. People interested in fitness buy it instantly. The key here is solving a problem. People don't buy random digital products. They buy solutions. So if your Instagram page focuses on finance, you might sell budgeting templates. If it's fitness, you might sell workout guides. But here's where most people fail. They create products with no audience research. The smarter way is to build content first, understand what your audience struggles with, and then create a product that solves that exact issue. Now let's move to the fourth method, which is Instagram Reels monetization. Short-form content is exploding right now. Reels are the fastest way to grow on Instagram. For example, Jake starts posting short motivational clips or quick tips in his niche. One video goes viral. Suddenly his account gains thousands of followers. Now more attention means more income opportunities. Even if Instagram doesn't directly pay you for views in every region, The real money comes from what happens after the views. Affiliate links, brand deals, and product sales. Now, here's where it gets interesting. One viral reel can bring in more traffic than months of posting static content. But consistency matters. Viral content is not predictable, but consistent content increases your chances. Now let's move to the fifth method, which is selling services. This is one of the fastest ways beginners can make money. Instead of selling products, you sell skills. For example, John offers Instagram management services for small businesses. He helps them create posts, captions, and content strategies. Or Alex might offer video editing services, logo design, or caption writing. Instagram becomes your portfolio. You show your work through posts. People see your skill. And then they hire you. But here's the problem. Many beginners don't clearly show what service they offer. Your profile should instantly tell people what you do and how you help them. Now let's move to the sixth method, which is dropshipping or e-commerce. Instagram is a massive traffic source for online stores. For example, Jake starts a small store selling fitness accessories. He uses Instagram to post product videos, lifestyle shots, and customer reviews. People see the content and visit his store. The key here is storytelling. You are not just selling a product. You are selling a lifestyle. But here's where most people struggle. They focus too much on the product and not enough on content. On Instagram, content drives sales. Not the other way around. Now let's move to the seventh method, which is content monetization through personal branding. This is the long-term strategy. Instead of selling directly, you build yourself as a brand. For example, John shares personal finance tips, budgeting advice, and money habits. Over time, people trust him. That trust turns into opportunities. Speaking gigs, coaching, affiliate deals, and collaborations. Now here's the truth. Personal branding is slow at the start, but powerful in the long run. Because once people trust you, monetization becomes easy. Now, let's put everything together. If you are starting from zero, you don't need to do everything at once. Start with one method. Most beginners start with content creation and affiliate marketing. Then they expand into brand deals or digital products. The real secret is this. Instagram is not about going viral once. It is about building consistent attention over time. Now, let's quickly summarize everything. You learned how affiliate marketing works on Instagram. You learned how brand deals can become an income source. You learned how digital products can be sold through content. You learned how Reels can grow your reach. You learned how services can be sold using your profile. You learned how e-commerce uses Instagram for traffic. And you learned how personal branding builds long-term income. The common theme is simple. Attention leads to income. Now here's the final truth. Most people fail not because Instagram doesn't work, but because they quit too early or never build a clear strategy. If you stay consistent, even a small page can grow into a real income stream. Start small. Focus on value. Build trust. And monetize strategically. If you found this helpful, like the video, comment what niche you are in, and subscribe for more practical guides like this. Because on Instagram, attention is the new currency. And now you know how to use it.